guys, it's me. You need a cup, something to mix in, and soap. So let me get the ingredients. Something to mix in, something. And bleach. Any kind of soap. So you will get water, put on hot. They have for all of our tops, okay? Now, put, hold it for me, please. Hold this thing. Okay. See, can you see the flame out? You need to put the pencil on. Oh my gosh. Maybe smear it. Maybe smear it. Yeah. Or okay. Since we did that, let's get into the flame and go down like this. Daddy. See? Cool. Cool, how did you do that? Okay, now let's do it again. What did you say? A water tornado? Yeah, water tornado. I'm gonna do them. I shouldn't do that for the science fair. It's already done the science fair this morning. Look at that! Stick a finger in and whoa! Look at that! Okay. That is just disgusting. Bye and subscribe.